Do you want to get instant answers to your homework questions from millions of students and experts? Do you want to access Brainly from any web page without opening a new tab? If yes, then you need to add the Brainly app Chrome extension to your browser. In this video, we will show you how to do that in a few simple steps. Step 1. Open your Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. You can either type chrome.google.com/webstore in the address bar or click on the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner and select More Tools Extensions. Step 2. In the search box, type Brainly and hit Enter. You will see the Brainly app Chrome extension among the results. It has a blue icon with a white B and a yellow star. Step 3. Click on the Add to Chrome button next to the Brainly app Chrome extension. A pop-up window will appear asking for your permission to read and change your data on Brainly.com and other websites. Click on Add Extension to confirm. Step 4. Wait for a few seconds until the extension is installed. You will see a notification that says Brainly has been added to Chrome. You will also see the Brainly icon next to your address bar. Congratulations! You have successfully added the Brainly app Chrome extension to your browser. Step 5. To use the Brainly app Chrome extension, simply click on the Brainly icon whenever you need help with your homework. A small window will open where you can type your question or take a photo of it. You can also browse through different subjects and topics to find relevant answers. You can also rate, comment, and thank the answerers for their help. That's it. You have learned how to add the Brainly app Chrome extension to your browser and how to use it to get instant homework help. Now you can enjoy learning with Brainly anytime, anywhere. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.